Here's how you can claim your free HEX if you have a Bitcoin balance at the snapshot. Install Metamask into your browser, metamask.io. Click the little fox on the top right. Log in. Then connect. Connect. Now you can see the site. Click claim. Open your Bitcoin wallet. Copy out a Bitcoin address with a balance. Paste it into the claim tool. Click claim this address. Copy the message. Go back to your Bitcoin wallet. Tools, sign message. Paste the message. Copy the Bitcoin address. Paste the address. Click sign. Highlight the signature. Copy it. Paste it back in the website. Choose your auto stake length. Submit claim. Confirm that you want to pay. You're done. You claimed. Congratulations. Now you've got 10% of your coins that you've claimed that are just sitting in your balance because the auto stake's only for 90% of your claim. So let's go to stake, and here you see your balance. A whole lot of HEX there. Let's just stake all that good stuff. Cool. Now you've claimed, now you've staked, now you've got 2 active stakes. Everything's good. You're done.